What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing as we do everything RC related on this channel. This week on my workbench, I got my FMS V2 Smasher. Done a couple of things to this little mini monster truck. I did put some TRX4M shocks on it, aluminum shocks on it, and I did upgrade to the FMS speed motor, and it completely woke this truck up. It's almost a little bit too much. Traction rolls a little bit more. You actually got to drive it a little bit better. So I picked up these Injora monster truck tires. They're a little wider than the stock, and I want to see how it actually freestyles and jumps around in the garage to see if it's a nice addition. So let's not waste any time. Let's throw them on and let's see how this FMS V2 Smasher performs. Alright guys, so these things look great. I only have them on one side of the truck because I wanted to tell you guys immediately about the differences. And while you can see they are a good amount wider and they are about the same height, maybe even a little bit higher. Only difference, these are way softer, almost a little too soft, and these are definitely stiffer, but they have a nice grippy feel to them, not super stiff. So but I definitely feel that this is going to be a better drive, being a lot wider than the stocks. So unfortunately on the third jump I did strip out the spur gear, and you can hear those gears were grinding. Kind of just kept it going, just kind of rolled with it, but just didn't know how long. Towards the end it really got bad, so I just kind of cut the run. So while the speed motor does make it a hell of a lot more fun to drive this truck, it also makes it a little more challenging to jump it around and kind of freestyle it in the garage. That it just becomes way more unpredictable. So it's quite challenging to drive it at this speed for this little 124 scale monster truck. Overall, I like how the truck handles with these tires. I think the speed motor makes it quite challenging to really bash it around and make it land consistently, being so small. It's possible that the shocks are, with the shock oil, is a little too stiff for it as well, so it's just like a combination of things. But thinking about possibly going back to the regular stock motors, because I just find it, in my opinion, it's a little easier to handle and control. So, but overall, I think the tires are great. I'll definitely pick them up.
Diff or something.
So, pro tip, guys, don't run the stock plastic spur gear with the speed motor. I ate up some teeth right there. So that's what all the noise was. So if you're gonna run the stock motor, this plastic spur gear is fine. Probably just, if I'm gonna keep this motor, I will get a metal spur gear. Other than that, these tires look fantastic and they are a good fit for the FMS Smasher. So overall, the tires, they look fantastic and they work really great for the FMS. So it is recommended to run the metal spur on it and some other metal gears for it. I was just trying to see how far I can push the stock system with it with just a simple upgrade with the speed motor, but obviously that didn't work. So like I said earlier, if you guys are going to do the speed motor on it, go ahead and get yourself that upgraded gear set. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.